Welcome to Inztron. How are you? Today we're talking about WinNative emulator. You can also say there is a WinLater sibling or WinLater little sister and little brother because it's a WinLater folk version. And yeah, when I start the video, I want to ask you which game you play in the current time. Then comment it. Yesterday, the WinNative beta version is released. Their version is 0.1.0 and there's a noble feature are modern jetpack compose UI. Is a basically UI and long play session and easy to flow setup wizard. It's a very good thing, and basic Steam, Epic Games and GOG integration for personal game, and Google Play support also for secure logging and build component. Also you can get in this GitHub repository the beta Ludashi version. It's very optimized and work every single processor like Mali, Exynos and also Snapdragon. Now I open the emulator and using a first screen there's a three things: allowed all access, notification and install system. One by one you grant the permission and notification and install the system 5. It's some a little bit time, but it's completed. Then click to a next button. The next screen important components and using the install all recommended. If you click this, the WinNative install according to your GPU driver and your processor, and it's a very good thing. Mainly in WinLater it's more complex, and the WinNative it's a little bit easy, I'm saying, and also is recommendation is good. Now process will be completed and the completed using a drivers is very important thing. If you have a Mali, Snapdragon, and if you have a Snapdragon Elite processor, you go to a Elite version 5, and if you have a mid-range Snapdragon processor 8 Gen 2 3, so go to 26 point something, but the stable version is 26.1. so click and install the GPU driver. Now the second screen step is done. Click to next, and using the two containers are here. Click to install both, and there is a main screen here using library, download and Steam if you can log in, and using the right side is setting. Click to the setting. There are many things are here, the Google related, the store related, and you can also log in Steam account and Epic account, and many thing. You also customize specific your game to improve your game. So I don't do that anything are here because the install recommendation is so good, so I didn't touch anything. So back then I include the game one by one, and if you want a specific setting related to your game too, then you click it and create a specific setting. But I don't recommend it that because setting is already set when you install. The recommendation is already done for a specific game, so don't worry. And I try the GTA 5 is starting looking good, and now FPS also good. When you not seeing the controller, click to back button and you seeing the controller to include whatever and whatever you want. So yeah, I including that, and there's many things to explore that, so you can explore, and the game is working very properly. The FPS will goes to 20 to 35, and I don't touch any setting, and the resolution is 800 to 600 maybe, and the screen size is like small, not to complete in my phone. So you can change also, but I don't do that in right now. Now I play a Silksong, and Silksong is very good. Now my FPS is goes around 100 plus, like 150 160, and the FPS is good. But I have faced some issue, like the issue is heat up problem. Yeah, is heat up a very fast. If the compare a game hub, the game hub heat up is slowly as compared to WinNative, but the but the game is working properly. Now I try a stray game, and stray game I was surprised the game is working so good because the FPS around 20 to 25. Now you seeing my previous game hub emulator, and the FPS was a 20, the FPS was a 7 to 8, but now here FPS is 20 to 30, and the game is so much smooth, but sometimes it's little bit lag. Now little bit lag, but there's a beta version. If the original version is arrived, now there's a many things are fixed. Yeah, the emulator is initial stage, but it's a good thing there's a processor is lesser, so that's the complexity is less, and the users not so much think like this setting that setting, and the game is working properly. Okay, that's a today video. If you want some help, check out my telegram and hype the video, and you seeing left right video, go and watch out. Okay then, bye bye.